just a quick video to show you what we've done here at Darling Point. It's a multi-storey building. Instead of turning the water off, we've just run a bypass from each section into a manhole. So none of the residents have been inconvenienced by told them they can't use the water. They can use their toilets and the water 24/7 with one of the Bensley lines. Much better process of bypassing it. Here's Greg from the Strata. Worked well, the bypass,
Yeah,
Greg?
very good. Very happy with it.
Yeah, much better.
People can use everything all day and not have to put up with having sewer and water off.
Yep, so much better idea.